My name's Anthony Wildman and I'm an implementation engineer at Tray.io. So my career goals were to work in the tech industry, either as a developer or as an engineer in the sector. I love working at Tray, first and foremost for the people that allow me to come into this industry and help with my career growth. You don't get brought in to work in a specific way. You get brought in because of the person you are, and then that comes through in the work that you do. The Wagon prepared me for working at Tray by giving me the skills necessary. I've been here for 7 months and my career trajectory has grown in that period. And I think that has a lot to do with the fundamental basic skills that I did learn from the Wagon bootcamp. It really helped me to develop myself technically, put myself into an industry that I hadn't been able to work in before. I wouldn't have been able to get the role at Tray had it not been for Careers Week. After you finish the bootcamp, wanting to put those skills that you've learned into practice, and the interviews that I was able to secure, it really gave me that opportunity to do that straight away. So I definitely recommend it.